तो आज हम देखेंगे केमोथेरेपी ऑफ एंटी माइक्रोबियल एजेंट। दैट मीन्स कि जो सेकेंड यूनिट है वो सारे कवर हैं इसमें, ठीक है। तो और ये जो है 6 सेमेस्टर के लिए है और पीसीआई सिलेबस जिसके हैं उनके लिए है। और इम्पॉर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि जो आपका एग्जाम हो रहा है ऑनलाइन उसके लिए उसमें ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होंगे, ठीक है। और जी पैट में भी हेल्पफुल होंगे। तो चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर देखते हैं बिना देर किए हुए। Agent which kills the bacteria completely is called as, the answer is B, bactericidal. The answer is B. Okay. Next is second question number. Penicillin was originally obtained from, the answer is A, Penicillium notatum. The answer is A. Okay. Next is three question number. Penicillin is currently obtained from, the answer is B, Penicillium chrysogenum. The answer is B. Okay. Next is fourth question number. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in, the answer is A, 1928 में ये डिस्कवर्ड किया गया था पेनिसिलिन को। किसके द्वारा? सर अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग के द्वारा। ओके, द आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट इज फाइव क्वेश्चन नंबर। Penicillin G is also known as, the answer is A, benzyl penicillin. The answer is A. Okay. Next is sixth question number. Sulfonamide, इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Sulfonamide were introduced by, the answer is A, Domagog 1935. The answer is A. Okay. Next is seventh question number. Mechanism of action of sulfonamide is, the answer is A, folic acid synthesis inhibitor. The answer is A. Okay. Next is eighth question number. Penicillin is example of, जो पेनिसिलिन है उसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है? जो एग्जाम्पल है वो ए है, बीटा लैक्टम एंटीबायोटिक्स। द आंसर इज ए। ओके। नेक्स्ट इज नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन नंबर। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग is example of cell wall inhibitor? Which of the following the example of cell wall inhibitor? The answer is D, all of the above. ऊपर के सभी। A is penicillin, B is cephalosporin and C is cycloserine. The answer is D, all of the above. Next is 10 question number. Example of acid resistant penicillin. The answer is D, both A and B. A is phenoxymethyl penicillin and B is penicillin B. The answer is D. Next is 11 question number. Cephalosporin is obtained from, the answer is B, cephalosporin C. The answer is B. Next is 11 then next is 12 question number. Chloramphenicol was initially obtained from, the answer is A, Streptomyces vanezoli in 1947. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 13 question number. Chloramphenicol mechanism of action is, the answer is A, protein synthesis inhibitor. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 14 question number. Which was the first member of microlide antibiotics? The answer is A, azithromycin. Microlides जो है फर्स्ट एंटीबायोटिक्स, इसका जो है जो आंसर होगा वो ए होगा, azithromycin. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 15 क्वेश्चन नंबर. azithromycin was obtained from, azithromycin obtained from किससे हुआ था? इसका जो आंसर होगा वो ए होगा, स्ट्रिप्टोमाइस एरिथ्रिस. द आंसर इज ए. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 16 क्वेश्चन नंबर. फ्लोरोक्विनोन्स quinolones mechanism of action is, the answer is D, both B and C. B is topoisomerism 4th inhibitor and C is DNA granase inhibitor. The answer is D, both B and C. Next is 17 question number. Example of quinoline is, एग्जाम्पल बताइए क्विनोलिन्स का। तो जो एग्जाम्पल होगा नैलिडेक्सिक एसिड होगा। द आंसर इज ए। ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 18 क्वेश्चन नंबर. टेट्रासाइक्लिन इज इंक्लूडेड इन विच कैटेगरी? द आंसर इज बी, broad spectrum. The answer is B, broad spectrum. Next is 19 question number. How many cyclic ring are present in tetracycline? The answer is D, 4. Okay. इसका जो आंसर होगा 4 होगा। नेक्स्ट इज 20 क्वेश्चन नंबर. टेट्रासाइक्लिन एक्ट्स ऑन, द आंसर इज ए, 30 ribosomal subunits. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 21 question number. Tetracycline action is affected by? The answer is D, all of the above. A is milk, B is apple. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा? D, all of the above. Next is 22 question number. By which of the following process tetracycline is taken give up by macroorganism? The answer is B, active transport. Okay. Next is 23 question number. Which of the following is ADR of tetracycline is given IV except doxycycline and minocycline? The answer is A, thrombophlebitis. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 24 question number. Which of the following may be adverse reaction related to the chloramphenicol? The answer is D, all of the above. A is bone marrow suppression, B is gray baby syndrome, and C is superinfection. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Development of the new infection after using antibiotics is termed as? The answer is B, superinfection. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 26 question number. Find the correct statement is? The answer is B, beta-lactam inhibitor is good for the antibiotic cavity. The answer is B. Next is 27 question number. Penicillinase resistant penicillin are? The answer is D, both B and C. B is prevent themselves from hydrolysis and C is provide better activity along with beta-lactam antibiotics. The answer is D. Next is 28 question number. Find the ADR associated with the tetracycline. The answer is D, all of the above. A is affect teeth and bone formation, and B is risk of the acute hepatic necrosis in pregnant women, and C is risk of the pseudo tumor cerebri in infants. The answer is D, all of the above. Okay. Next is 29 question number. Which of the following are properties of aminoglycoside? The answer is D. D is all of the above. A is polycationic carbohydrate, and B is highly water soluble, and C is excreted unchanged by kidney. The answer is D, all of the above. Okay. Next is 30 question number. Which of the following is true for aminoglycoside? The answer is D, all of the above are correct. जितने भी ऊपर के हैं सारे correct हैं. Loop diuretics should be avoided. B is curare-mimetic drug should be avoided, and C is should not mix any other antibiotics in same syringe. The answer is D, all of the above. जितने भी है ऊपर का सभी correct है. और ये आंसर है ऊपर से जितने भी 1 से लेकर 30 तक जितने भी आपको बताएं ये सारा का आंसर है इसमें दिया हुआ है. ओके. तो आप चेक भी कर सकते हैं. नहीं चेक कीजिएगा तो सारा आंसर सही है. और आप सब्सक्राइब किए भी नहीं अगर आप नहीं किए हैं तो कर दीजिएगा. ठीक है. पहली बार आप देख रहे हैं तो एंड शेयर जरूर कीजिए, कमेंट और लाइक जरूर कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड में. और हमेशा खुश रहिए. तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में